Hello, everybody. My name is Lucinda Valiant, speech and language pathologist from Harmony Speech Therapy and Diagnostics. And I'm here today to talk to you about first sounds, initial sounds that we really want to see our little ones developing, perfecting, and really being able to use as a foundation for future articulation and speech sounds. So those three sounds are p, b, and ma. And in another video, Taline discussed the same topic in Armenian. So I'm going to discuss this topic in English. So these sounds, the b, m, and p sounds, are so critical and important because they are plosive sounds. They're called bilabial sounds. That means that you need to close the lips and produce a lot of air and be able to push that air out. So we're really working on airflow here, and really the child really needs to be able to control that airflow, control the lip movements, and be able to coordinate that in order to produce that sound. And these are foundational skills for speech, being able to produce sounds for talking. So this is going to be quite important for the child to be able to later produce more difficult sounds and be able to string the sounds together to make words. And with our little ones, the ones that are not yet able to produce these sounds, or if they are able to produce them but not consistently or not accurately, we'll spend a lot of time working on this first. And one fun way we do it is we use farm animals, environmental sounds, other animal sounds, really whatever the child is interested in. Now we can use the p, b, and m sounds. So here I have a farm. And I really do enjoy working with farm animals because I can incorporate the Old MacDonald song, I can incorporate other farm songs, and especially during teletherapy to capture the child's attention by either going back and forth with playing a song and doing the practice with the sounds, or just practicing the sounds if they do have the attention span for it. So I'll demonstrate how we use it. So I might say, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. Here comes the cow. Hi, Mr. Cow. And what does the cow say? The cow says, moo, moo. And the child can see the movement on the cow's lips with my puppet here and on mine. And I will encourage the parent to take the child's hand, put them on their own mouth while they produce the sound, so the child can actually get the feeling of what it feels like, the vibrations of the sound on the throat, on the lips, on the mouth. So that's one sound. So moo, the cow says moo. And really exaggerating that sound, exaggerating that movement. And then say, okay, bye, cow. Now let's see who's next. Here comes a friend. And we'll say, we might sing the song again if they're interested in it, or go just through the animals. And we'll say, hi, it's Mr. Pig. 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 See, he can say it too. Pig. Opening his mouth. And again, putting the hand on the mouth to feel that airflow. Pig. Emphasizing that p sound. The other one is b, b. So I might say, okay, let's see who's next. I see Mr. Sheep coming by. Hi, Mr. Sheep. What do you say? You might say, bah, 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 bah. Really, concentrating on that buzz sound, emphasizing it, repeating it multiple times during the session. Again, as always, I would encourage the parents to take what we've done in therapy and in session and repeat these sounds with their child on a daily basis while they play. and not necessarily expecting them to respond, but demonstrating, modeling, and waiting and seeing, when the child is ready, are they going to be able to produce it? And of course, once the child is ready, then we might um, put together another sound like ba ba, pa pa, and then ba ma pa, and really practice on stringing together these sounds to produce words as a foundation. And so these are some of the things that we work on for early learning, early sounds to lay the foundation for good speech in the future. Thank you. I hope this was helpful. And as always, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.